channel. Today's video is going to be a different video. This is going to be my makeup collection and storage video. I have been, probably the most requested video on my channel is my beauty room tour / makeup collection video, and I always get a lot of questions on how I store my makeup. I'm not doing my beauty room tour or this kind of room tour yet, just because I'm currently redesigning it and reorganizing it. It's going to look completely different to what it is now, and my makeup is going to be stored differently to what it's stored right now. So down the track I might do like an updated storage collection video along with a beauty room tour. I also just wanted to put a little disclaimer out there just in case, because I know a lot of people are going to go, that's a lot of makeup for your age, which it is. You don't need this much makeup. This is just something I love and that I have a thing for. I don't know, I just try to stop buying makeup, but I just can't stop buying it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and give the video a thumbs up. We're just going to get straight into my makeup collection. This is where I store all my makeup. I'll just tell you where all the furniture's from. So I store my makeup in the Alex 5 drawers, and I've got one here and I've also got one here. And this table, I'm pretty sure it's from IKEA. I'm not 100% sure though, but it's one that's got a glass shiny top to it, so it's easy to clean makeup off it. I'll just mention quickly where these are from on either side. The glass container things with the fake flowers are from TK Maxx, and I've got one on both sides. And then these gold ones are from Target. The top of the desk is actually pretty boring, just because this is where I film my videos in the background, so I want it to look clean. So I'm just going to get into my drawers now and how I actually store my makeup in the drawers. Going on to the first drawer, this video is going to be super awkward to film. But in here I have face prep stuff. So I have primers, and then I have also setting sprays. Organizers here are throughout all my drawers. They are my favorite way to store my makeup. These are the Kmart ones. They're Home & Co clear drawers. This one's a larger one, but they have all different sizes. They store your makeup really well, and they have these, I don't know if you can see that, but they have these rubber things at the bottom, which stops them from sliding, which I love. With my primers here, I've just got different random stuff. So I've just got Tatcha, Elf, Marc Jacobs, Rimmel, Fenty, Sephora, some random brands, and then some samples that I haven't even used yet here. And then I've got a spare Tatcha one. I've got a mini Fix Plus. I've got Elf setting spray, Mario Badescu, I think that's how you pronounce the name. Facial spray, and then Tatcha, skin mist, and then also the Urban Decay All Night Out makeup setting spray. The next drawer is my face cream stuff. So again, these storage ones, they're from Kmart. These are the longer ones, the narrow longer ones, and then this one at the back here is the shorter narrow ones. In here I have my foundations, concealers, and then cream products. I don't really like cream products, so I don't really have many, but I just have this glow stick, and then I have this body bronzer from a random brand. And then foundations, I have some Wet n Wild, Too Faced, Marc Jacobs, some Maybelline ones here, and then Laura Mercier. Then I've just got Anastasia and Hourglass. And then for concealers, I've just got this color wheel. I've got some Elf concealers, Maybelline, got Fenty Beauty, Too Faced, Tarte. I've got a backup of my Tarte one because this is the most empty. Mecca Max, some Maybelline ones, and then a matte one at the back there. The next drawer is my lip products. This drawer actually looks pretty sad. I have no idea how to store my lip products. So yeah, it looks pretty sad. Again, these organisers are from Kmart. This one is the same one as the one above, and then this one is a square one. But in here I just have lip pencils. All my lip products are in here. That's lip glosses, lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks. Don't like how this is organised though, so I will be reorganising this down the track when I change my storage drawers and everything. I've just got brands like Morphe, we've got some Dose of Colours, we've got Chanel, we've got some lipsticks here from Becca, Too Faced, we've got Marc Jacobs, Bite Beauty, I think that's Bite Beauty, NARS. Below all that we've got like a heap of Kylie Cosmetics, some Colourpop, Urban Decay, Huda Beauty, lipsticks. We have like Charlotte Tilbury, some random brands, MAC at the bottom, more MAC. Oh, this drawer, honestly, this little like container gives me, I don't know, I need to like have it organized, but I just have no idea how to organize it. It's so hard to find anything. So yeah, it's a bit of a random little thing, but this is all my lip products and lip pencils. I've just moved the camera down a bit so you guys can see a little better. This drawer here is my eyeshadow palettes. I really don't like how this drawer looks or how it's organized using these, but these are like great for like compacts. These are from, I think it's Etoile, Etoile. I'll link their website down below for you guys though. But they have the best makeup organizers and storage ideas. In here I've just got some palettes that I haven't used yet. I've got Sports Girl, Colourpop, some Kylie Cosmetics ones here, Sleek, Maybelline, we've got some Stila, Too Faced, Anastasia, we've got Morphe, and then at the back I have this palette I haven't used yet. This is from Models Prefer. And then I've got my favourite palette. This is from Gemma Isabella Makeup. This is the Laverna palette. So pretty. And then Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. And then that random palette that's really bad. That doesn't fit anywhere anyway. But like, I'll show you guys how it works. So if I had that standing up, do you see how it like just doesn't fit? Like, oh, it just really frustrates me. So I've got to figure out a new way to store this, but I thought I'd show you guys anyway, like just what it is now. And in the last drawer, oh, this is like really random. This is like the other 3 of these that I'm not using. So I got 5 in the set, but I'm not using 3 of them at the moment, so they just chill in here because I have no other space for them. Going on to the other side now, so the top drawer here, this is extremely full and I have more products in other drawer, like in another drawer that don't fit in here. This is the other like clear organizer thing, and if you have like lots of compacts or even like just to store your whole makeup collection, because you can like take certain things out. As you can see, like these are bigger powders. I've taken out like these ones that separate these, if you know what I mean. But like you can do whatever with these. Like it's so good. I love these for storing your compacts because it creates like a lot of space. Powders, I just have Laura Mercier, I have Essence, some Too Faced, Fenty Beauty, Maybelline, random brand, Latonis or something, and then I have NARS. And then over here for highlighters I have some Tarte, Inglot, I have some Becca, I have some Maybelline ones, and then I have Wet n Wild, Elizabeth Arden, and Gerard Cosmetics. And then for blushes here I have NYX, I have MAC, NARS, Too Faced, The Balm. This is my like all-time favorite blush, by the way. Mecca Max, and we've got some more NYX ones there. And then over here I just have mini Benefit, a mini Too Faced, and a mini Tarte one. Then I have Physicians Formula, Maybelline, Too Faced, Mecca Max, and NARS. And then more highlighters. This drawer goes into like all the other random bits. These organizers, again, Kmart. I've got 3 of these here. I've just got like glitters, single shadows, pigments, glitter glues, like random stuff in here. I don't know if I need to go through this because it's so random and just, I don't know, it's full. And then here I have brow products, liquid liners, gel liners, and mascaras. Over here we have eye pencils. Towards the back I have all of my eyelashes. So my favorite lashes, as you can't tell, if you can't tell already, are Gemma Isabella Makeup. These are amazing. I've just got backups underneath. I've got some new styles I haven't used yet. I've got her Natural Collection lashes here. I've got like L'Amore, and then I've just got this like brow powder palette from Crown Brushes back there, which I haven't actually used yet. And then I've got some Kiss lashes, and then I've just got some like more random brands back there. This drawer is also really random, but this is where I have all of like my extra things that don't fit in the top drawer here. I do actually have the Morphe times James Charles palette here because it's so big it doesn't fit anywhere. And then I have all like face palettes underneath. And then I've just got MAC, I've got some Jouer, I've got Ofra, Anastasia, and Reezy highlighter. I've got Marc Jacobs, and yeah, that's pretty much it for like the makeup. These drawers are just fully random, as you can see. We've got a random like cleaning thing in here, and I've just like got makeup bags. I've got like face paints, like Halloween stuff, I don't know. Yeah, I don't really think I need to zoom down on this one because I've just got stationery. I've got business cards, I've got makeup cases, travel makeup cases, cords, random stuff towards the back, papers, just notebooks, random stuff that no one really cares about. I thought I'd also show you guys really quickly like this little bit. This is on like the desk that I film with. It's not even a desk. I'm not even going to get into it. It's just like a tabletop thing. This organizer, actually, I've had this for ages. I think it's from like Howard's storage place or something like that. But yeah, here I just have like my makeup brushes. This is actually broken. It had like a thing that like flipped up, but that broke off, so I just use this like top drawer because it has no top to stand all my makeup brushes, which I think it looks okay. My makeup brushes are currently like stored in these organizers. These are from Target. And then this little dish here, I have all my SD cards, but this little dish here my mum made. Like, can we just look at that quickly? Like, do you see how good that is? This, it just says too much stuff, which, hello, very relatable. It's just like this. I think it's from like Kmart or something. It just says too much stuff, and I just put all my, I try to just put my face brushes in there. So yeah, this is like just tools. So I've got eyelash curlers, beauty blenders, kabuki brushes, double-ended brushes that just, you know, you don't want to put them in there to stand up. I've got like a mixing palette. I've got lash glue. Like, you know, you've just got random stuff. But yeah, that is my thing here. That pretty much sums up my makeup collection and storage video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see my updated collection and storage video along with my beauty room tour in the next couple months. But yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!